Hi guys, welcome back to my page. My name is Gigi. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite juicing recipes. So I came up with these recipes sometime last year. I really enjoy them. I don't make them too often, but I was just really in the mood for them, especially one of my recipes, which is my absolute favorite. So I decided to bring you guys along. So stay tuned if you're interested in trying my juicing recipes. Okay, so the first juice that I'm going to show you is called Mean Green. This one, it has 4 stalks of celery, 2 Honeycrisp apples. I love Honeycrisp. That's what I used when I first made it, and I've just stuck to it because it's perfect with Honeycrisp. But you can try other apples if you like and see how it turns out for you. I also have a 1/4 cup of blackberries. I have a cucumber and a lemon and 4 to 5 cups of kale. So I have the kale right here. I just rinsed it off. So I have kale right here. So yes, let's get started. Mix it up. Kind of make a mess. Okay. And that is my Mean Green juice. So as you can see why it's called Mean Green. It has plenty of kale in it. So yes. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one is my Mrs. Green juice. You like that twist, right? My last name is Green. So this one includes 3 cups of kale, 2 Granny Smith apples, and 1 lemon. Now, if you want to make a bigger portion of this, then you can always just, I guess, double up on the recipe. So, but this is what I'm making for now. So, yes. So let's get started. So this one doesn't make as big of a portion size, but you can always double up or triple up on the recipe. Yes, just how I remember. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, so this is the last juice, and this is actually my favorite juice. I love this with the carrot and the ginger, just balances itself out. So this one is called Yum Carrot. This one has 8 carrots, 2 Honeycrisp apples, 2 lemons, 1.5 inches of ginger, and you can adjust the ginger as you like. I may add more. When I measured it the first time I made it, I just kind of did an estimation just so I could have a general idea of how much ginger to put in it. But yeah, I may add more. This may not be enough, but we'll see. So, and that's it. So let's get started. Ginger just smells so good. It smells so good. Let's do that. And let's shake this up. I feel like I remember this recipe making more, but it may just be because it's my favorite. I wish it filled it all the way up to the top. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Let's taste. It's perfect. So good. So those are my favorite juicing recipes. We have the Mean Green, we have the Mrs. Green, and we have the Yum Carrots. If you try this, please let me know what you think. Let me know which one is your favorite if you decide to try all 3. And yes, comment down below if you have your own favorite juicing recipes. Please feel free to share. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.